Introduction to vehicle modification. Enhancing performance and value. Personalizing your ride. Tailoring to your lifestyle. Diving into the world of vehicle modification can be as much about boosting your car's performance as it is about showcasing your personal flair. Whether you're aiming for a smoother ride or a unique statement on wheels, there's a myriad of ways to transform your vehicle. For the speed enthusiasts and luxury lovers, performance is king. Imagine your car with a turbocharged engine, a fine-tuned suspension, and brakes that could stop time. These aren't just dreams, they're achievable modifications that can elevate your driving experience to new heights. And for those with an eye on the future, tasteful upgrades like plush leather seats and high-end audio systems can do more than just turn heads. They can also turn your vehicle into a more valuable asset. But it's not all about what's under the hood or adding to the resale value. Sometimes it's about making a statement. Custom paint jobs, sleek body kits, and shiny new rims are the canvases and tools for drivers looking to express themselves. These aesthetic touches can transform a standard vehicle into a reflection of your personality, a true one-of-a-kind masterpiece on the move. Then there are the adventurers, the families, the everyday heroes whose lives demand more from their vehicles. For them, modifications serve a practical purpose. Roof racks for the wanderlust-driven souls, extra storage for the busy parents, and rugged skid plates for the off-road warriors. All these changes are about making your vehicle fit your lifestyle like a glove. Whatever your needs, with a dash of creativity and some savvy research, your car can become the perfect companion for every journey you take.